Your privacy is not secure if you enable Diagnostic Center on your Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. Every activities, everything you do on your device is still exposed to Microsoft. Now, what you need to do is that you want to turn off your Diagnostic Center so that your privacy will be more secure on your Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. How do you do that? It's very simple. Come to the home button here, Windows button here, right click. Now click on setting, or you can just click on this home button, then go ahead and click on settings. Once you click on settings, then scroll down to the privacy and security. Now under privacy and security, scroll down a bit, or you see diagnostic and feedback, click on this button. Once you click on this button, just focus on two things I want to explain in this video. The first one is this button that says send optional diagnostic data. Now this help Microsoft improve your Windows experience and fix problem more quickly by sending us additional diagnostic data. This include data about websites you browse, how you use apps and feature, and enhance error reporting. Don't you hear it? What you do, how you use the app, the website you visit, everything is being sent to Microsoft. Then your privacy is not secured. If this button is on, then tap on it and toggle it off. The next thing you have to do is to come back to this one that says view diagnostic data. Then if it is on, just tap on it and do favor yourself by turning it off. Turn off the diagnostic view. Use up to 1 gig of hard drive. So click on it and turn it off. After you turn it off, then come back to this button where it says diagnostic data clear. Maybe this button has been on before. Then you need to clear this to be sure that you are free from this privacy issue on your laptop. Now to do that, just come back to this place and click on this delete button. That has been deleted, and you see the last date you deleted or deleted comes up here. So this, guys, your privacy is more secure on your laptop just by turning off the Diagnostic Center on your laptop running on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you get this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.